Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to translate language in Word document. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. You may not know this, but Microsoft Word has its own translator and it's very easy to translate text without using online translators. And how to use it? Select a part of the text, such as the first and second paragraphs, and right-click on them. Select Translate, and the Translator tab appears on the right. As you can see, the translator immediately recognized English, but if this didn't happen, we can manually select the language of the text. And a little lower, select the language into which we need to translate the original text. As you can see, the list of languages is very large. And when the text is translated, we can copy it and paste it below. Or click the Insert button and the original text will be replaced with its translation. The advantage of this translator is that if we highlight, for example, one paragraph or 3 paragraphs at once, the translator notices this and instantly translates the selected text fragments. The disadvantage of that, this function doesn't work offline. And if you need to translate the entire document at once, then click on the Document tab, make sure that the languages are selected correctly, and click Translate. After that, the Word creates a new document with the translated text and with the same formatting as in the original text. All that remains for us is to save this new document. And that's it, now we know more.